This is the project Smart Gardening. So in this project we are demonstrating the power of FPGA and how it can be used to solve some of the daily problems. So in this project we are trying to make your gardening or monitoring of the plants or in parks or backyard smart, and publishing that data over cloud and to monitor on your home. So for this we have the Arduino's new MKR Vidor 4000 board, which has Intel Cyclone 10 FPGA and Atmos AMD 21 chip, which so we can program that CMD to program sort of it's the same way to program the Cyclone, so that we can use the functionalities like HDMI and camera for your project. So this board also has Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, BLE, all that stuff. And for the sensor we have the BME 280 to measure the air temperature, humidity and pressure, so that we can predict some storms, or if there's high temperature which can damage the plants, then we can sort of help it by watering the plants. And then we have the soil moisture sensor. This is the analog resistive one, not the capacitive one, which this measures the moisture in the soil with the help of resistance. So these sensors are connected to the Vidor, which is connected to the groove shield for power or any 5-volt conversion. And then we have the sensor connected via I2C and an HDMI connector to this monitor. So here in this monitor, whatever you can see here, this is being outputted by the Vidor 4000 on the monitor. So it's measuring all the data, and then with its Vidor graphics library we are publishing it on a monitor. So if you have this in your garden and you want the data in your home or something, you can run an HDMI cable. But actually this is just to demonstrate the power of FPGA and how it can be used in all this stuff. Also, the data is being transmitted to the cloud. So this is the Blink app. So here we have the soil moisture, the temperature, humidity, pressure, all of the data, and with all this data we can monitor it from anywhere in the world, as this is an IoT device. And then we have the event or widget to check the conditions, and email notifications if we want about some conditions like high temperature or anything like that. So this is it. This is a very interesting project to demonstrate the power of FPGAs. So it's really very interesting what we can do with a single FPGA. We can make it into an HDMI connector, into a sort of have different pins or segments, and also for camera and much more stuff. So that's it. Thank you for watching.